I want to record you.
Hello. So we are here at a happy what?
Happy Pancake.
We are here at A Happy Pancake
In Ikebukuro.
in Ikebukuro, and this place has super fluffy pancakes. We just got our tickets, so there's a ticket machine over here. So this guy, we are currently at number 133. That's the number that's being served right now, and we are number what?
142.
142. We have like 10 parties ahead of us, which means we have some waiting to do.
And it says it takes around 20 minutes to make a pancake. So
Yes, so they make it fresh. I've been here before. There's like a glass window, and you get to see them make the pancakes and stuff. So yeah, hopefully we can see them make our pancakes. What do you want to do while we wait? So we decided to sit down inside where it's not cold inside Mr. Donut. And Mr. Donut is covered in Pokemon themed stuff. Pretty cool. So we're gonna wait here until our pancakes call us to eat them.
"12 seconds later."
Hello. Are you excited for the
they look
pancakes?
so big and squishy.
Like your face? Are you excited?
ice cream on it. You know, funny, after smelling this, I'd probably have gotten savory.
What? After what?
It's already jiggle. The whipped cream fell.